Now, Jamaica's basketballers stunned Puerto Rico for the second successive time on Monday, 97-92, to move one step closer to qualifying for the FIBA Basketball World Cup. The Jamaicans never trailed, taking the first quarter 27-19, and they went into halftime leading 54-41. Puerto Rico outscored them 26-20 in the third, but Jamaica still led 74-67. Jamaica were outscored in the final quarter 25-23, but it didn't matter, because the Jamaicans prevailed in 97-92. Chase Audidge top scored for Jamaica with 20 points, while Romain Thomas added 18, while two other players were in double figures. Kofi Coburn came up big. He had the game winner last Friday and was again impressive, adding 15 points and 12 boards, while Tyron Delati-Badir also added 15 points, and he had 6 rebounds to go with it. Stephen Thompson Jr. was the top scorer for Puerto Rico with 18 points. The Jamaicans are now second in Group B with 4 points, the same as group leaders Canada. Jamaica's next match is February 26 against the Bahamas.